back. Today we are going to see some of the stocks for tomorrow, which will be a best stock selection for tomorrow's trading. So first let us see Tata Consumer. We can see there is a pattern formation here, and we can see that there are multiple touch here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here the pattern is breakdown, so we can see a breakdown and there is a huge volume candle here. So this is a huge volume and this is more than which has happened previously, so we can expect a huge breakout here. So most probably there are going to be a retest from this position back to these levels, and there's going to be a big movement up. So this is a good stock for tomorrow, and also there is going to be a result announcement as soon as possible, so we can expect huge movement in this stock, and the stock price is going to come back to the channel where it was going previously. There was a breakdown in the last previous months, so it is going to back to that same channel. Next we are going to see another stock, which is Hindustan Aeronautics, and we can see here also there are multiple testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also we can see a breakout, and we can expect a retest, and again then it will go up. This is the most common strategies we are going to use for our trading. And here also we are not seeing a huge volume, but we can expect from the retesting of this level there could be a huge volume, and there we can confirm the levels and we can enter 2 trades. Next we are going to see another stock, which is Adani Ports Special. Here also we can see multiple testing. So here we can see a breakout, then a retest, then moving up. Similar case as seen everywhere. Here also we are not seeing a huge volume breakout, so we can expect volume breakout when there is a retest. Next we are going to see huge breakout in Adani Enterprise. Here we can see a huge consolidation, then the stock has moved up, and you can see there is a retest. This is the retest candle, and now it is back to the levels, so we can expect a huge movement tomorrow as there is result getting announced in the coming days. So this will be the stock selection for tomorrow. Thank you.